UK LTD is way better than a US LLC. Let me explain why. When you register a US LLC for your Shopify store, for your dropshipping business, the main reasons why you're registering a company is that you want to have a Stripe account or you want to activate Shopify payments. But there is this thing that you don't know, and you only know it after you make a loss, which is registering your company in the United States. Then realize that when you want to activate Shopify payments, you need a proof of address in the United States. You live in Nigeria. You don't have a proof of address in the United States. When you go to these agents that you use to incorporate in USA, they can't help you with a proof of address in the United States because you're not there. So you only discover this after spending more than 400 US dollars. Then you realize that your LLC is useless. But if you go with UK using my way, right, you only spend like 200 US dollars in total. This includes getting your company registered, everything, all the documents for your company with your proof of address, just for the half of amount that you have to spend with a US company. So why would you go and register a company in the United States and never manage to do whatever you want to do, like getting a Stripe account, when you can spend half of that amount on a UK company and be able to open a Stripe account and activate Shopify payments on your own, register PayPal, a business account, Wise business accounts, banks, and everything. You can do pretty much anything you want to do with your UK company. The same services that you are going to access with your USA company, you are able to access all those with the UK company. So why would you spend so much on a US company when you can spend less on a UK company and get more services and get faster services? So if you want to register a company, consider registering in UK. And if you want to get a proof of address in UK together with your company documents, click on the link in the description. I'll help you to get your proof of address in the UK and your company registration. You have all your documents that are necessary to activate Shopify payments or to open your Stripe account.